Assalamualaikum and hello to everyone who watched this video. My name is ELIA binti KAMARUDDIN. So my final year project, which is intelligent nursery watering system using sensor network. My supervisor is Sir Azlan Osman. First and foremost, I will introduce what ERISA is about. So as we know, plants need 20% to 60% moisture level of the soil, and then different plants be needed different soil moisture. For example, orchids. These plants need less water because excessive water may damage the roots. So I have developed the system that to fulfill the requirement of each plant needed. With the network sensor that measure the surrounding before watering the plants. It will help to grow the plants with optimum water supply. This project also will develop the Android application to monitor the environment based on sensor and watering schedule. So this intelligent watering system using sensor network is the IoT development. This system actually will be automated, is an automated watering plant based on plants needed. It will measure the environment using 4 sensors, which are rain, soil moisture, temperature, and humidity sensor. This system will distinguish the water needed of different species of plants. And this system also will come with Android application that used to initialize the system and also providing the information about sensor and also watering schedule. So this basically will the Android application will provide will have the pre-input data and then will be passed to the device. For the problem statement, first, available system for watering has less concern for the needed of each plant species. The second one is a current watering system also neglect the environment condition before watering the plant. The third one, the watering system currently do not help to conserve the water resource. And then the last one is the needed of human supervised to supervise the watering system. For the proposed solution, I will develop the system using microcontroller and sensors which are rain, soil, moisture, temperature, and also humidity. This IoT system will be built using Maker Uno. The data from the sensor will be analyzed to provide an output to system. The data will be processed using rules, and also the initial data of plant type also will be analyzed along with the sensor's data. Pump operation will determine by output of rules. The data also will be analyzed into graphic information on Android Studio. So this picture is the system that have been built, which is the device that being used, Maker Uno, and also the Android Studio, Android application. The objective of this system is to design and develop system automation watering plants using network sensor, to design and develop system automation watering based on plant species, and then the last one is to design and develop Android application to display the graphical data monitor for the user. For the design solution, this is an overall module program for intelligent nursery watering system using sensor network. We have 3 module that have been connected using internet. First module is microcontroller module that have data input from sensor, connection manager, and also data receiver manager. The second one is web and database module. It has a web server, data storage service, admin, plus data update. And then the last one is mobile module, which have microcontroller manager, sensor data viewer, and also notification manager. For the system architecture, for the plants, it will the sensor network will read the plant's condition, the surrounding around the plants using the sensor, which are soil moisture, rain, temperature, and humidity sensor. It will pass the data to the IoT device, and the IoT device will send the data to the cloud, which is API RESTful in the web server. So the data will be stored inside the database server, and then the web server will process the data using the pre-input data from the user and also the data from the sensor. It will pass back through the internet to the IoT device to be produce the output for the water wave. If the output is 0, that means the water wave is off. Otherwise, if the output is 1, the water wave will be open. For the Android application, the API routes will be connected to access the data from the database server. The Android application will produce the graphical input from the data. This is the project preview for this system. There has the Android application and also the device that have the device for the nursery watering system. So the impact and benefit for the intelligent nursery watering system using sensors network is one of the systems that been designed to help people who involving in nursery industry. The main key of this project is to develop intelligent system that provide the efficient use of water resource with additional focus on environment monitoring and biological of each species plants before the automation watering operates. So I will demonstrate the system after this. For the first constraint is the condition is a plant 1 have a soil moisture which is less than 30%, and also the plant 2 soil moisture more than 50%. Both have needed have a normal water needed. So this the humidity is 59% and the temperature is 29.8 degrees Celsius. The weather is not rainy. The data have been stored. It means for the watering system, it will be for the plant 2. It will be the pump will be on. For the second condition is both plant have soil moisture more than 60%. So that means it will not the both pump will be not operate. The environment condition is humidity have 59%, temperature have 29.8 degrees Celsius, and the weather is not rainy. So as we can see that here watering time schedule, that means we will produce zero output. That means the pump are not operate. This is a condition when the environment is raining. Sensor, I have put the wet tissue to indicate the raining environment. It will be trigger the panel. So which is a humidity is a 59 and temperature is 28 degrees Celsius. The weather is raining. So the pump will be off. That's all. Okay, for the Android application, we have the login page. I have to insert device serial number and also password. For the first time login, for the register part, the user need to put the device serial number, password, and also the number of plant that they want to put. So if a plant, the number of plant is 1, so they can choose whether to use the system plants or customize their plant's name and also the watering schedule and also the plant's watering behavior, which is they need the lower water or high water needed. For the first page, for the dashboard, the system will put the real-time data from the sensor, which is the temperature is 25 degrees Celsius, the humidity is 60%, the condition is raining, and then the update time, which is in 21st June 2021 at 11:53 a.m. So they will put the soil moisture percentage, which means soil moisture level. The bougainvillea have 26% and aloe vera have 82%. So and then the dashboard will display also the watering schedule for that day. So for the bougainvillea, so this is their watering schedule, and then the time there, and also the pump is working or not. 0, the pump is not working. 1 is pump is working. That means the plants have been watered. The third one, the second one is report features, which is user can see at that month how many the frequency of the watering schedule. And the last one is update and also log out. That's all.